I think especially for the size, obviously we're an undergraduate program, so we have a lot of one-on-one interaction, one-on-one learning. You get to know faculty here, we're very hands-on, but again, for our size, we actually have really great facilities and instrumentation. So students really get that great mix and that great blend. They get small environments, hands-on learning, getting to know your professors, but at the same time we have the resources and facilities that give you a really good, a really good experience as what you would want to see that employers want to see. Like a lot of the STEM majors here on campus, you're going to take general chemistry, you're going to take organic chemistry, and biochemistry. But there's a lot of other additional upper level and upper divisional classes that actually really help you, get you ready for that career, whether it's graduate school, whether it's med school, whether it's going out in industry. Things like physical chemistry, advanced organic, inorganic. We have courses that, again, that are more lab-based. For example, synthesis and characterization, introduction to chemical research. We also have a course that's called chemical research, where essentially we take students and bring them in the lab. And I always like to tell students to say, hey, I'm not going to tell you what to do. You tell me what you're interested in, right? What interests do you have? Do you have a personal interest in an area? What's your career path? What do you actually want to do? And so then what you can do is you can say, let's take some of the skill sets that you've learned in some of the upper divisional classes, and then you can build a research project that is impactful, that you're passionate about, and that will feel like that you would actually take you to the next level, again, whether that's grad school, med school, or industry positions. Starting right off the bat, I mean, again, in general chemistry as a freshman, you're going to have a lab experience here. Most of the chemistry classes actually do have a required lab that you have to enroll with. So the idea is that it takes the theory of the classroom and brings it sort of into the real world. But again, we actually have a lot of classes that are sort of devoted to upper divisional labs where chemistry majors actually get in, learn instrumentation, learn techniques, and actually apply that to a real world setting. So hands-on experience is really important. We emphasize that, we stress that. Obviously, scientific curiosity. I mean, if you want to be a scientist, you have to be interested in nature and the world, solving problems. You want to be analytical and good critical thinking. And I think that's something that we promote here at the University of Findlay. But also, like I said, sort of being detailed, and also being able to analyze what type of instrumentation or what type of technique would actually work to solve the problem that you want to solve. So those are skill sets that you want to have, but those are also things that we can help develop here at UF in the chemistry program. It's kind of that after your sophomore year, we start getting students actively involved in the lab. And there's lots of research projects that are active. We've had projects based upon biodiesel biofuel from soybean oil. We've had projects that are based upon ALS research. We've had projects developing cancer drugs, things like that. We've even worked with students that have an interest in the forensics field. Chemistry is a great field to be into. The job market is very strong, and the number of career paths, as I mentioned before, is really diverse. Academia, government, medical areas, or going to into the pre-med area, or like I said, is just finding a job in industry. There's a diverse area in which you can be employed, and lots of areas which, again, you could move your career into. It's the one-on-one, the hands-on learning, and the facilities that we have. We have this really nice balance of being small enough where you get individual attention, but large enough where we have the facilities and the resources that students need to get employed or to get into grad school, med school, so forth, right? So it's that nice balance. You're going to get that one-on-one learning, you're going to build relationships with people, and you're really going to develop your skill set that's going to make you a better candidate for that next position.